Hello, welcome back to the video. So today, this is my air horn. It was already in the box, ready to return because of this can right here. It does not have air because of it. So they must have forgot to fill up the air. So you saw it the other day when I was testing it to see what it sounds like, but it failed. So it was the can does not have air. So they must have forgot to fill it up. But here's the video what happened last time when I tested and it went failed. Let's see what it sounds like. What happened? No sound. What just happened? Anyways, yep, so that's what happened when I tested. So this is the one I'll be returning, so it will be returning to the Arizon truck. When the Arizon comes pick it up, they will replace the money and they will send you a new one. It's going to be the same one, but hopefully they will fill up the air this time. So that way it will work. So I will see you when my new air horn arrives. And then it's going to be a final test. Final sound like. So I will see you in the final test video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, notification bell.